So after understanding how insert statement works, Mrs. Harper is happy and she says that she can keep her library updated efficiently. Now my readers will always find something new and exciting. Okay, so as Mrs. Harper reviews her new entries, she realizes that one of the languages that she has mentioned is incorrect. She has specified that she has a Bengali version of Gitanjali, but the fact is that she is not having a Bengali version of Gitanjali, but she is having a Hindi print of Gitanjali. But the entry that is made, it specifies that the language is Bengali. So SQL gives us a command called update. So what update commands does is, update commands helps you to update the values that you have already inserted inside the database. Take a look at what the syntax for update looks like. So we make use of the update command followed by the table name, and then we set the value for the column. So let's say we want to change the name of the column. So we will do set column name is equals to whatever value we want to set for that table. And then we want to specify which value we want to change. So then we want to specify for which entry we want to make those changes. So for doing that, for finding that entry, we make use of where. And then we specify the column by which we can uniquely identify the columns. So let's say in this particular table, Mrs. Harper has entered wrong entry for Gitanjali. She's not having a Bengali version, but instead she's having a Hindi version of Gitanjali. So what she will do is, we can see it over here is that the entries is made. So by making use of update command, update the name of the table books, and then we will set the value, set language is equals to Hindi, where we want to find the entry for which we want to change the value. So we can identify it by the title as Gitanjali. So where title is equals to Gitanjali. Alright, so we have used semicolon after it. Let's try to run it. So as soon as we have clicked on run, we can see that the table has been updated. The original entry for Bengali has now been updated to Hindi, and the changes are also reflected on the table.